morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogtober day 22. I've been up for a little while. As you can see, I'm ready for the day. I've been sorting through outfits for shoot day today. We were actually supposed to do a couple of outfits before I even went to my nail appointment this morning, but it has not worked out that way because there's a lot going on. Had to deliver something to a brand, etc, etc. So it's just been busy this morning, hence why I haven't updated you yet. But I'm gonna head off to get my nails done by the lovely Priya, who is Bam Nails or BHAM Nails on Instagram. I just think she's amazing and I'm gonna get my nails done by her today, which I'm very excited for. So I'm gonna head off. I go to her house to do it, pretty much on the opposite side of London to me, but it's all worth it, you guys. So I'm gonna spend about an hour now on the tube, and then afterwards we are going to do a little shoot day, me and Zach, and then I've got a meeting at my gym, and then in the afternoon hopefully going to pick up some things that we need to do the house, various bits and bobs, put clothes away. We need some plastic bins basically to put clothes that we're going to store at the house in. So that's the task for later on tonight. Went for drippy blood on a black base though, because I didn't want them to be too much, too gory, too Halloweeny, because I will have them for like 3 weeks. It's like subtle, but it's there. And then we did glitter on the blood to make it sparkle. Obviously I'm now in a tunnel, so you can't see one moment. See a little bit better there. They're the type of nails that you can see better in real life as well than you can like on any sort of camera because of the contrast. Very pleased with them, and I'm feeling sufficiently spooky now. But we are heading into town. Zach came to pick me up, and we're heading into town to take some pictures. So that's that. I think I need to eat though, desperado, because I am starving. Look at my shiny face. Right guys, we have taken 4 sets of pictures. We have traversed London from one side to the other. Went to a meeting at my gym, and we have just completed shooting for the day. It is 6 PM on the dot. Feeling good to have all the shooting done, but I also have to edit everything today. That's quite a big ask. Like I need to finish my editing from yesterday, which I didn't finish, from the shoot, capital S, and then I have to go through all the pictures from today and edit those as well so they can all be sent off. It's gonna be a long evening, I think, but for now Zach and I are doing another thing on our list. We are gonna head to B&Q to get some stuff. I think I mentioned this earlier actually. We need plastic bins for the clothes to live in the house safely without being contaminated by the house, because trust me, it's not cute in there. We also need protective gear, like I said earlier, so that we can do some stuff to the house this week at some point. Feeling good, but also I am determined to tick off everything on my list today, because I just cannot be bringing more stuff into tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a really fun day. We're calling it Creech Day. It's the day when me and Indy are gonna have fun. We're gonna film the Indy Does My ASOS haul and we're gonna go vintage shopping. So I really want to be free of all this stuff. I don't want to be worrying about deadlines. Christmas decorations! Oh my god! Wow, this is very exciting for me right now.
You're absolutely nice.
Yeah, kinda.
Oh yeah, amazing.
That's the party like that. Great in the front garden when we have our own house.
Are you being serious?
I want this reindeer. No, you're not getting any boots, Zach.
These are my sight boots.
You don't need sight boots. Do we think we need goggles? I bet I could repurpose these for some sort of high fashion shoot. Hi love, so got back home, finished shooting, got back home and I am just organising for yesterday's vlog to go up, the one we watched yesterday. I'm going to watch Bake Off whilst I do it and then I'm going to start my editing in front of Bake Off. That's a good thing about picture editing as opposed to video editing. You can do it whilst you are watching something else. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Wow, I love your new car. Yeah, it's really fast. Are you going to drive down to...
Hi my loves, so I have been editing for many hours now. It is almost 1 I think and I am finally finishing up. I'm feeling good though that I got everything ticked off on the list today and yeah, feeling happy about that. So yeah, it is definitely time to go to sleep. Got a really fun day tomorrow with Indy. We are gonna, yeah, like I said before, head out into town to do a little bit of vintage shopping, which I'm very excited for, and just have a nice sister day together. She's on half term, obviously that's why we can have a nice sister day. So yeah, very much looking forward to that, but I need to sleep. I've got a PT session first thing tomorrow. I kind of inadvertently ended up taking David's advice, which was take a few days off until you next see me, because it has been busy and it just takes a lot of time out of my day to go and do the exercise that I would usually do. So yeah, I took his advice and let myself have a few days off and we'll see if I'm any stronger tomorrow, and I hope he's also written me a new programme. That would be really good too. That's all from me for now. Thank you guys for watching today and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye!